I love doing, gaming. Playing games like that, Forza, high quality, high action, high detail. But it's gaming on a console which often runs into problems, the same problems we face with smartphones. Laptops, tablet PCs, it's a memory issue. And I've been sent something here pretty exciting, a solution to all of that. I've been sent this. It's the Xbox One drive by Western Digital. It's the WD Black 3 terabyte drive. It promises high performance, fast read and write speeds, a rugged image, rugged internals, and backed by Western Digital's overall reputation as reliability and solid hard drives, which bring that extra bit of memory and eliminate the problems you always have, and that is running out of space. Taking a look around the box, you've got a very clean image here of the drive on the front, and over at the back it gives you some of the specs. Up to 130 megabytes per second. It's got a 2.5 inch size. It's a portable hard drive. It comes with a USB-A cable to USB micro type B for connection, and it overall promises to expand a problem that we always run into, add extra memory here, 3 terabytes. That means a lot more exciting gaming.